Hey Salmon River Canyon, I'm at Campbell Flat Boat Ramp today. Right next door is my latest listing. It's spectacular. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look around inside. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited to show you. Let's talk about the top 5 things I love about this property. Number 1, this is 2.3 acres of usable ground. If you know the Salmon River Canyon, it's hard to find usable space. Bring your friends, your family, their RVs, spread out and enjoy. Number 2, this home has had too many upgrades to mention them all, but just to name a few: new roof, new exterior stain, HVAC, new flooring, plumbing fixtures, and so much more. Number 3, there is a 40 by 60 quonset shop, concrete floor, propane heater, and 200 amps of power. And number 4, there is a tiny home. It is so stinking cute, 234 square feet. It's got the double bunks, the full kitchen, the ductless heating and cooling, and the cutest little deck. And number 5, I'm standing on it. This beach is so rare. To have your own beach right off your deck, to enjoy the big Salmon River, you can put your jet boat in right next door, tie up here, go fishing, go enjoy. If you have any questions about this property or you want to set up your own personal tour, you know what to do. Call my cell phone 208-921-0634 or go to my website salmonriverrealty.com and check out my featured listings.